everybody. Today I'm meeting with Lou Scott Barnes of Molloys Mustard for this episode of the Howick Highlight, where we interview people, businesses and organisations in and around Howick. Lou, thank you for joining us today. And you are now about to celebrate a business milestone this year. Tell us when and how Molloys Mustards began.
When I was pregnant with my last child, Daisy, really. We were living in Richmond, and I had tried various jobs, but nothing was really working. And then I found that I was pregnant, which was a bit of a surprise. So we started Molloys Mustards. So that's 23, nearly 24 years ago. And we've been through 3 years, which were a bit tricky. So anyway, we've decided to relaunch our product. It's a good little product. It's been going all these years. A dear friend of mine's redone my labelling for me, which I'm very proud of, and we're hitting it again.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
You produce a whole range of interesting items. Tell us about a few of them and the favourites.
Okay, well, it started with mustards, hence the cupboard. And then we had some really good recipes from various places we've been. Like, we lived on a game ranch in Zululand for many years, and we got a maize of roux from one of our local guys.
Yes.
That was going very well, so we developed that recipe into 3 different, a mild one, a hot one, and a green one, and a red one. And then we went for things like Duggery's Dynamite, which another friend gave us that recipe. It's also a chilli relish. It's a bit different, and it's nice and hot. You know, chilies are quite addictive. And then we started the harissa. And then somebody gave me a recipe which I tweaked a bit. We made chili coriander jam, which has turned into one of our best sellers.
That sounds very interesting.
We've got some bubbling on the stove as we speak. It's a bit of a monster to make, but it's very, very popular.
Very different.
Yeah.
And where can one get these products?
Well, we've got various people that supply our products all over the place, from South Coast right up to North Coast, but the locals are Hilton Rotunda, Lingalapa, Mount West, Notties Farm Store. We're still working on a few locals to get in the top. Otherwise, we do the Carclew Farmers Market every Saturday, very proudly.
Yes.
And you can always come and have a taste and have a chat and get to know us better.
Fantastic. And if one wanted to connect with you, how would they go about that?
Well, our new labels have got my number on the side, and I'm very proud, actually. I got a call from somebody on, I think it was Tuesday night. He had taken a bottle of our maize of roux and fell in love with it. He bought it at Lingalapa on his way back to Joburg. He called me. I said, yes, I've got 12. He said, oh, no, he needs 12 jars now. So we parcelled it all up, went and saw the courier man, checked with him. He said, yes, he's happy to cover that cost. He had it 24 hours later. That's
amazing. Well done.
Good. Yeah, very proud about that.
So give us your cell number and your Facebook page.
Our Facebook page is still under reconstruction, because I can't remember what my code word was. My number is 079 8171 085. Otherwise, you can get us from the Carclew Farmers Market. I think that's probably about the best way to do it.
And have a breakfast on a Saturday morning at the same time.
And some decent coffee,
Yes.
Yeah.
Lou, thank you so much. We really appreciate that.
Only a pleasure, thank you.
Yes. Thank you for watching this episode of the Howick Highlight. If you've enjoyed it, please share it so that others can also discover Molloys Mustards.